Three. Whoa, there was so many pom-poms. Oh, they look so beautiful. Is it done?
Now
Wow.
it's fireworks in the dawn. Papa, why are you sad?
Because there's no firework in the city because of coronavirus.
Don't worry, Papa. We can make our own fireworks too.
Yay!
Welcome to mimi.times.
Yeah, why you were hiding my face with your hand? I see. Okay, what are we doing today?
So we are doing some fireworks crafts.
Yeah.
So because of the lockdown and everything, we cannot go outside to make some fireworks. To see
Yeah,
some
but we
fireworks.
saw some light fireworks.
Yes.
At the light show, yeah, that video is coming too.
Oh yeah. We are actually going to be making some fireworks today.
Yeah.
And in 4 different ways. So first way is by using some toilet paper rolls. What we have done is we have just cut them in strips, long strips. And next thing what we're going to do is put some colors in here.
Yeah.
Which color?
So we're going to dip it in there and then put it in here.
Okay, that's how it looks.
We have to put it over here.
Yep. So we have.
Don't put too much. Oh, don't put too much.
That's
You're not
fine.
taking Halloween
That's
video.
Is that
No, just like
So we have put some color in here. Now we're going to spread it out a little bit. Like this.
That's.
Spill it out.
I think we need to
Or
put more.
we can
We can put more.
Ah.
Some red.
That's good. That's good.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. And now we have taken a black construction paper, but you can take any color you want. Doesn't matter. Just we took the black to just show the night sky.
Yeah. Just put it.
Like that.
Whoa.
Look at that.
You want to put more colors?
Fireworks effect.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put one more here?
And then for the next color, you can take this paper.
Okay.
Great. You can leave that in there.
I think we need yellow.
No.
Yellow. Blue? Okay. Blue. I think blue won't show in this on this paper. Because we need light color.
Is there 2 plates or 1?
Just
One.
one.
And there's other ones there.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow.
Is that good?
That's good.
Okay, some for one. Is this a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just move the plug in. I think we have to mix it safely.
Yes.
And
Put it on here. Wow. So guys, this is firework effect on the black construction paper.
Yes.
Looks super cool. You can put whatever color you need. We didn't use the dark color because it won't show on this black paper. So keep that in mind. You can use the light.
now we're going to do the second one.
Another way to make these fireworks is through these bottles. So what you can do is you can just dip these bottles
Okay.
in the color like that, and then just put it like that.
I'll
More,
put
more,
it
more.
this way first.
More. That's all. So she just destroyed the paper. So it's so many fireworks. I think 2-3 kg of fireworks on this paper alone. So let's just put it and start the other one. More.
All right. So moving on to the second craft, fireworks craft. This is called fireworks in a jar.
Yeah.
So what are we using for this? Wow.
That's fireworks in a jar. Some
1 cup of water,
yes.
some oil, and some food coloring.
Food
Yeah,
colors.
there you go.
Okay, that's
So now, Mimi, would you like to put this water in here, please?
Yeah.
More. More. Do we need more water?
Yeah, you can put the whole thing in there.
I think we need more water. I'll bring more water. I'll go like this.
Okay, that's good.
Put it in here.
Oh, oil.
Okay.
Which color you need to put in?
Blue.
Blue. Blue.
I love this blue.
No. Okay. Ooh. Wow.
That's fireworks in a jar. There you go.
Called fireworks in a jar. Well, it looks like some. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Wow. So
This is a cool effect of the.
this is a cool effect.
It's turning green.
It's turning green. We'll put red.
I'm gonna put red.
Okay. Now I think we cannot see the color. Oh wow! This red looks so nice. Wow! So you guys need to take as much as clear glass you can to see the effect. So this is the second
And it's
crop.
a rainbow one.
Yeah,
Yeah, so beautiful.
it's so beautiful, right? So this is about it for this craft.
Yeah.
So I think you can put all the different colors in different jars. That would be a nice idea.
Oh yeah, that
right?
would be a nice idea too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So do that.
Good thing.
What are we doing next, Mama?
So the next craft is a cannonball, or you can say a firecracker. So what we have done is
What do you want
we
this?
took a toilet paper roll and put a little balloon, cut a balloon. So we cut the balloon out.
Cut the balloon
out
like
of
this.
the
Like we can just cut the
Yeah,
top
cut.
of the balloon.
top of the
And
balloon.
we can put
And then you put the balloon on top of this.
and then you put
And to secure it, you can use the
Okay, wait.
we can also put some pom-poms in it.
yes, that's the idea.
Yeah, that's actually the balls.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we can do is just, or you can glue it up.
Oh, works for you. It
Well,
even works
but-
like that too, but we just made
Either
it.
way, you need
If
to
you're
hold
making it with kids,
Yeah.
it's better to just put it with this because
So you need to hold this part, and then when you do that, let's see.
Leave it. Leave.
Oh, I don't.
you don't have anything in there. But
Whoa! That,
so
I
I'm
think
gonna put these
this one works.
these pom poms in there.
now you can do it, Mimi. You can put multiple pom-poms with different colors. It makes a funny noise, cracking noise, and it shoots the pom-pom.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. We'll do it together.
We'll do it together.
Okay.
Now, hold this part. Now, Pull
Okay.
it.
1, 2,
three.
3.
Whoa! There was so many pom-poms. Mimi, you put so many pom-poms.
More.
That's very cool. Oh, yeah, you need to hold that part, right? So it's a very easy craft that you can make with your tissue toilet paper roll.
I'm to do it again.
You want to do it again? Let me make your cannon gun. Okay. Oopsie.
Whoa.
Bent now. And...
Whoopsie daisy.
Okay.
And what you can do is if you want to decorate this part, you can decorate this too with different colors. You can
Our wrapping paper. or
Wrapping
something,
paper
or
color.
draw on it.
yeah.
Whatever works.
I'll have so many pom-poms.
Oh, only one game. Mama is making the fourth one.
craft.
Yeah, ready?
And
So
Put over there.
we're gonna shoot one more, right? Oh, oh wow, it works! purple. Oh, it didn't work, but it made a funny sound, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it one came. Wow. Okay, the fourth one is ready.
Yes.
What are we doing with the fourth one?
The fourth one, what I have done is I have actually taken a paper towel and draw some fireworks on top. As you can see, it's all just black, no color. But watch what's gonna happen when I'm gonna drop
Okay,
this.
so let me show it to them. It is like a firework drawing.
Yeah, firework drawing with no color in it. And once you put it in the water, let's see what happens.
Do I have to close my eyes?
Oh, look, you're fine.
Hold it. Wow.
So now there's color.
Now there's color. Oh wow.
Like how we're always thinking about what color firework will happen.
And do the next one purple.
So now we are going to put the second one in there. And let's see what color it is.
Can I put
come
it?
out.
What color it is?
Yeah.
So this is purple firework. Look how cool it is. So we're gonna put this on this side as well. That you guys can see. Let's see what's the next color going to be.
Do orange.
Is it orange? Let's see if it's orange or not. You need to put it. No, it's yellow. Wow. Look, it's yellow. It's like the color is magically appearing. But Mama will tell
Because
everyone
what
that
we
how
have
it
done
works. So I'm gonna put this on the side as well, and I'll bring one more plate. Wait,
Which
wait.
color do you think it will be?
I cannot guess. I think what color it is. You tell me. Wow, it's
Find out together.
turning pink.
Pink.
Wow, look how beautiful it looks. So Mama, now can you tell everyone that how you made it?
So what I did was I just took the paper towel, draw the drawing part, just the black with the black marker on the top part, and the inside I colored that same one.
So I'll do it.
Okay.
So it's
I can show it to you because that's what I was doing over here on the side.
Well, it's so fun and I like to do it.
okay. Fold the paper towel like this.
Yes.
We draw.
And then we draw on it.
This is the last one we're doing. And I'm going to add the color in your
Just whatever one you want to
Okay.
draw.
So this is how it looks like in the first place. Now we'll open this and draw the color from over here.
I will draw the part and you can color it, okay? Any color you want, Maya, okay?
It's a beautiful color.
It
And
doesn't have to be same, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, pick up a color
In the
you
mean-
like to color on it.
In the meantime, I'll bring the one more plate.
you have to close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Hey, no peeking, okay? I can see, right?
No, don't see.
I already see. Okay, I'll try to forget. Now I don't know which color you were using.
Did you pee?
No? I think you were using blue.
You have to guess.
Yeah, I will guess. Is it done?
No, almost. Yes, it's done.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay. So which
Nice.
color did you put? Let's find out. Let's find
I know.
out. Wow, it looks so beautiful. It's an orange color
Orange.
firework.
Orange fireworks.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. These are the five colors we made. And they look so beautiful.
Just, food does not look good.
Yeah.
It's so boring.
Well, they look so beautiful.
So which idea did you like the best, maybe?
This one?
This one? The last one that we did?
Yeah.
I think I like the Canon one better.
Well,
But-
I like this one better.
yeah, I was just
I like
kidding. I
this
like
one the
this one.
best, actually.
I like this one the best. I was just kidding with Mimi.
Okay, this is the fourth craft. So these are fire crafts.
Yeah.
And different things.
Next time.
We'll make some more craft videos, and that's about it for today. So please subscribe our channel and like the video.
Mimi.times.
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 Yay! Bye bye.